Wow. It seems that the entire century has been released. Can you still want this? He should make money like this. We used to call it the Iron Horse 400. What exactly did he go through to become like this? Hey, but it's alright. Yes, I am. I'm confident that I can help him regain his former glory. For example, change him to this. This or this. Okay, let's go back and talk about it. That's a Honda 400. This city. It feels like it was just unearthed from a 3-star POW. Look at the dust and sludge. It's all about parting. Basically, everything that you say can be rotten is rotten. Places that can rust also rust. Now I just pray that his heart is still intact. Give him a bath first. Otherwise I really don't want to touch him. You look more refreshed after taking a shower. Let's start making glass rings for him. In fact, this is the first time I have built this car. But it's also a Honda family. It's really familiar and unfamiliar. Wow. Look at the dust in there. From now on, I want to figure it out now. What's the layout of his circuitry? His addictive screw. The most terrifying thing is to hear a pop. Oops, headache. After searching for a long time, finally found the battery that was hidden here. Here's my plan. Charge him first. Check if the line is normal. If the line is okay. Depends on what happens to the engine. If the engine is okay, then it doesn't violate. You can directly open and change it. 1 battery. National Honor Lord. Direct old battery. Negative electrode random iron. Okay. Universal watch 300. This is an electric door lock. This is the main power cord. Without the key, I just need to put these wires. China Unicom will have current. Well, in this plug, hidden a bunch of stuff like booger. So disgusting. Carefully plop the wire. Zhejiang Hanman can be tightened as tightly as it is. There's electricity. This means the line is normal. Then comes the moment to witness the miracle. Okay. How? Don't be nervous. Analyze with my years of experience in playbooks. There must be a problem with the start relay. This is the guide. No way. Now only the most delayed method can be tested. Okay. 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 If this doesn't work, there is a high chance that the engine will get stuck inside. It's not really what you're afraid of. Come here, boss. Eat porridge or eat now. God help me. Turn. 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 Oh, the boss caught it. You. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. What do you do? To lose again. Give him a bath first. I can't start without washing it clean. Really not exaggerated at all. The muddy water that came out of the wash almost blocked the sewer. You can take it apart now. It's the hardest to dismantle a car of this quality. Rust and stuck screws are commonplace. I'm mentally prepared. Violent car demolition is unavoidable. You see, the voice just fell. The exhaust pipe is stuck. Guess it's still the same thing. I don't know how to renovate it later. The more you look at it, the more headache you get. Wow. Look at this drawing game. It hasn't been moved in decades. To be honest, this is the first time I have changed this car. After all, he's about my age. Here we go again. Beautiful, another broken one. Remove the little black cover. Well, look at this squid. Yeah. Cover all the screws. Fortunately, it didn't start. The gear lever was removed smoothly. Guess this little black needs to take the chain first. Okay, not a big problem. Xiaofei got it smoothly. Just cut off these threads. It's been messed up before. Mountains of sludge. Chain down. Guessing game. This switch should be changed. To control the headlights. Kind of interesting. This pot, I don't even know what it's for. Can any great god tell me? This carburetor is hard to wipe. Black hemp. Oops, this blood vessel is scrapped. Wow, back then if this car wanted to wash the carburetor. Really big head. It took half a day to get it off. Look at this city. Waxio apartment. So far, so good. How? I didn't expect there to be a water tank in the tank for so long. I don't know if the back of this water tank still works. Drain the oil first. How? What's going on? No motor oil. It turned out that the oil had solidified. Wow. Ouch. Half oil, half overnight. Let's lift the engine down first. The inside of this engine is really worrying. But logically speaking, this retrograde twin engine, the failure rate shouldn't be high. I can only beg him to just not move for a long time. It's stuck inside. Just don't have a big problem. I successfully took down this big heart. Hey, it took half a death to dismantle it like this. Keep dismantling him. Another one. Small grinding chicken to serve. Seriously, this is the worst car I've ever made. I feel much worse than the previous Garland thief. And this car is big and heavy. The structure is complex. Well, I'm worried now. Can you assemble it behind the heart? Return. You see, there's another one at the back station. This enclosure is probably unavailable. This summer vacation. 30 years of accumulation. So miserable. Last time I checked his line, it should still be fine. Otherwise, it will make the headache worse. You see these things? It will be spectacular to watch it live in the future. It turns out that there is also a shock absorber here. These plugs are fairly well preserved. This is a fine instrument. I don't know if it still works. The battery is hidden here. This screw is going to die. Knockout. The point is that you can't use it anyway. Wow. There is also a decades-old fritters hidden here. This is a high-voltage package. The scientific name is also called ignition coil. I don't know if it still works. Dismantle this car. I found that. Little things that were set decades ago. Already so powerful. Have to admire. Now you can take the whole set of lines off. Don't tell me this car sucks. But this elephant is remarkably intact. It may be the reason for losing the warehouse for a long time. It hasn't been tampered with. Mountain mud crab-like soil. This is a sub-snow box. It doesn't seem to be a problem. Now dismantle the car. Gauge down. Headlights off. Brake upper pump. Cooperated. Right switch. Left switch. Successfully won. And then we take out the link. Oops, this is troublesome. Look at the axis here. I feel bad. If you can't dismantle it, dismantle the others first. Remove the front wheel first. Go to the online version. I have such a habit of working. Just when you encounter a difficult point, we'll put it down first. Wait until the idea is clear before going to him. Otherwise, you will never find a breakthrough. This is a screw filled with sludge. It is easy to slip off if you are not careful. I was also very worried that the wheel would not fold off before. Fortunately, the wheels were taken off smoothly. The money is late. The problem is not. The annual inspection certificate was also successfully obtained. Good regression difficulty. After some research, this central axis is due to excessive rust. Cause the upper panel to drown directly. Remove the indicator light on the original first. Wolf head ruthless. Avoid smashing. I ran out of 1 can of rust remover. No improvement. Hey, it seems to be turning. Do you believe it? This thing has been in use for 2 hours. Still can't take it off. It's a lifetime of learning. Oh dear. Finally got it after 3 hours. Well, look at this clock shaft. No wonder it rusts. I have a lingering fear when I see this screw. God bless me with this. Take it hot up. Handsome guy 3 seconds. It's stuck again. I'm dizzy. By countless seasons. This rotten iron. Can't guess to continue to restore the basic law. Guess something else first. Go after him later. The front and rear wheels of the good luck dismantling went well. In fact, I am particularly afraid of dismantling the axles of this old car. Because if someone had repaired the car before, smeared net oil on the axle of the wheel, it will stick to the bushing after a long time. Hard to take off. The rear rocker arm was successfully removed. Okay, back to South Point. Can you try the title first? Still not working. Up pressure to see. Still not working. That would just knock it off. Because it just so happens that our style is broken. Otherwise it should be removed soon. Finally got it. To the point of exhaustion. Another 2 hours. It took 2 days. Finally cleaned up this old antique. Almost everyone was ruined by him. So hard at first. I can't imagine how to go on the road behind me. I kind of want to just call the scrap guy to take it away. But that doesn't fit my style. Since it is the path you choose. Even if I kneel, I will go down. Let me get my blood back first. Let's start with this engine again.